Hey, how's it going, everyone? Brad here from West Coast Motorcycle Adventures. Got something a little bit different for you today. I'm going to do a unbagging video for you. So, I got myself some Scorpion riding pants from Fortnite. So let's open these up and take a look at them. They're Scorpion Drafter 2. And now I have some jeans that I ride in that are riding jeans. They got Kevlar in them. But when summer comes around, oh, they're so damn hot. So hopefully these are going to be much nicer. For summer riding, here we go. Scorpion Drafter 2 mesh pants, extra large. Oh, these are nice. These were, what did I pay for them? I think they were like 160 bucks plus tax. Delivery was included, so $190. I think I paid. Yes, these are very nice. So, let's see. So there's knee pads that I'm probably going to take out. So let's take a look here. Drafter 2 pants, black, extra large, durable poly mesh with the 600 denier nylon reinforced panel on the knees and seat. Exotech, CE approved ventilation, blah, blah, blah. I want to take a look at the pants. What I'm really interested in is, will I feel the Velcro on the inside here? No. All right, I'm gonna try these on. Show you what they look like and let you know if I bought the right size. Well, I'm really glad I went with the 36, which is the extra large. If you're a husky dude like me, definitely go for the larger size, because I can get my 2 thumbs in, but that is it. And I have not done up these ones yet, so those feel really good. Oh wow, those feel really good. So I guess that's the mesh right here. Yes, see, so that's like a nice big air vent with the knee pads. Knee pads sitting at my shin right now. That's cool, but like I said, I'm gonna remove those. So yeah, the more that I wear them and wear them in a little bit here, oh, they're definitely loosening up. But 36 was definitely the right size. So these are the Scorpion Drafters. Oh, maybe the knee pads are in the right spot. Ah, no, fuck, I don't want those in. Fuck that. Fuck that. No, we're gonna go ahead and, I'm gonna go ahead and take those out. Let's see, can I easily take those out? Let's see here. Where is it? No. No, with the pants on, I can't. There is. No, I'll have to take them back off and remove the pads. So I like these. They were very comfortable, lightweight. Oh, I look forward to the nicer weather. And these will actually work well in the spring. How the hell do you get at that? How in the hell do you get at it? We're gonna go up this way. I do. There we go. So there's a liner in these. Let's see. Take a look. Yeah, there's a liner in these. Does that liner come out? That liner probably comes out. Where's the Velcro? I am so glad the Velcro is inside, but I guess if you take the liner out, that is the one issue I have with my jeans is there's the Velcro, right? And so when you're riding, it's abrasive on your skin. I know, don't be such a pussy, and you'll be okay. But no, it's abrasive and it's uncomfortable. And when you're riding, you don't fucking want to be uncomfortable. So anyway, knee pads are coming out. Probably just keep the liner in. That's what those look like, in case you care. Kind of look like a jock strap. Yeah, okay, so it looks like there's a zipper all the way around to take this liner out. Well, that's cool. I'm gonna keep the liner in because I'm betting. Yeah. It's just more comfortable up against your legs. Anyway, yeah, I'll give you another close-up look here. So we got the button, got a zipper to zip the lining out, and then these side straps to snug everything up. Oh, these are nice. We got pockets somewhere. There's a pocket. It's not a very deep pocket. As those aren't very deep pockets. Do I put anything in my pockets when I'm riding? Not really. But those aren't very deep pockets. So that's that. Scorpion. Pow. That's that. So yeah, hope you guys found this video helpful. And thanks for watching. Have a nice night.